If A and B are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, तो आप ये बताइए A और B अगर mutually perpendicular है तो ये I cap और J cap की तरह हो गए ना?
हाँ सर।
तो what will be A dot B?
3.
A dot B क्या होगा?
0 होगा।
0.
A and B are mutually perpendicular. A and B are mutually perpendicular.
Zero,
A dot B will be 0. Yes. अब ये डॉट प्रोडक्ट पूछ रहा है आपसे वो, तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? 3 into 5, 15 A dot A
3 आएगा आंसर।
है ना? प्लस
15 minus 12 3
माइनस 18 A dot B प्लस 10 B dot A minus 12 B dot B. No, they are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Their magnitudes are 1 and they are mutually perpendicular. So this will become what?
1.
Exactly. This will become what?
0.
Zero. This will be 0. This will be 0. So 15 minus 12.
3.
Perfect. Next. If vector P is this, Q is this, are perpendicular to each other, then the positive value of A is if these two are two vectors and they are mutually perpendicular. For
Dot
two
product
vectors to be,
zero.
if they are at 90 degree, P dot Q should be what?
0.
So 1.
Zero.
Plus 90 ना?
If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, what will be this will be dot product will be what? P Q cos 90.
90.
And cos 90 is what?
0.
Cos 90 is 0.
So if two vectors are ever perpendicular to each other, just do their dot product and you will get 0
Yeah,
answer.
sir. Cos
Now,
90.
Can you please
dot
go on the
product of
last
these
slide?
two will be A square minus 2A.
Minus 2A minus 3.
This gives you A is a quadratic equation.
3 and
So A will be
minus.
equal to minus B plus
The
minus.
roots are 3 and minus 1.
So you
So minus
can
1 is
factorize
rejected,
it,
so
so
it will
it
be
will
3.
be factorized.
And minus. Yes. Good. Next. Ready? These are good questions. Compute the angle between the two vectors. I want to find the angle between this vector and this vector. How do I do that? You
Sir,
have
by
to find
using
cos-
mod A mod B cos theta dot product formula.
I just looked at it. Yes. Perfect. So
You would-
A dot देखिए,
You would get
A
theta
dot
as a
B, A dot B will be equal to 2 into 4. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 minus 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
3. A dot B will be 3.
But sir, A
Right.
dot B can also be represented as multiplication of magnitudes and then multiplied
Yes.
by cos theta.
Yeah,
So from
this
there
will
you
be-
can get the angle.
So value of A can be found out because you have all the
So we
units.
found A dot B through this method. This is 3. And I will equate it to 3. What is magnitude of A? Magnitude of A is 2 square plus 4 square minus
root of
1 square.
21.
This is root 21. What is magnitude of B?
Root 18.
Now, magnitude A, magnitude B. So cos theta will be equal to 3 divided by root 21 into root 18. Can you tell me, can it be
Sir,
simplified?
it will become cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 42 is equal to 1 upon 6.4 approximately. So it will become
Sir,
theta is
option-
equal to cos inverse 0.16.
Okay.
Sir, option D.
Calculation. We got it.